And what is up, YouTube? WulfF420 here, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing because I finally got my t-shirt for the channel that I made, and so we're gonna go ahead and open her up right here with y'all right now. Unboxing WulfF420 unboxing new t-shirt, and it's giving me trouble opening like all these envelopes and boxes always do. So we got her open now, and let's go ahead and pull this out. Yeah, that's right, we got the nice little WulfF420 Jolly Roger. I drew myself, and we'll open the bag here and take out the sticker, and we'll just set that down for now. And here we are, the WulfF420 Jolly Roger. I faded the thing down too far. It's not the right color match for the shirt. I faded it down hoping they'd just merge right in together, but oh, so I got a black box around it, but that's okay because it looks like a pirate flag. And this is the WulfF420 Jolly Roger. Can't really see too well what it is. My drawing's not that good, but it's a cool little wolf head logo, and these are supposed to be crossed bongs indicating WulfF420. It's like totally dope. So anyways, that is the new channel shirt, WulfF420 YouTube Jolly Roger. And then on the back, I splurged a bit and got the back printed as well. And I got these right online at Vistaprint. Finally got my hands on a scanner for my computer so I can put stuff I draw into the computer and make computer pictures. And it is cool. So I created this shirt for the WulfF420 channel, and here it is. It says WulfF420 YouTube, where all the wackiness happens. Wait, does that say whackness? No, it says wackiness. But you get the idea. It is whack, but I don't give a crap. So that's right, WulfF420 YouTube, where all the wackiness happens. And we're gonna try to make these videos. And I gotta try this shirt on. Maybe we should go ahead and do that right here, right now. Nah, just kidding. And here we are, now wearing the new WulfF420 YouTube t-shirt. WulfF420, where all the wackiness happens. And I'll see you again soon. Next video. Whatever and whenever that'll be. I know. Sorry. Having a lot of problems. Whatever. All good. So, that'll be WulfF420 signing out, and I'm going to say, always keep fighting. Have an awesome day. Be excellent to each other. And as always, people, peace out.